Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how to fix iMessage waiting for activation. So guys, when you turn on iMessage and it is showing the error like this iMessage waiting for activation, then I will show you how can you fix this talk of error. So first of all guys, let me tell you how to close this page. If you want to fix this problem, you have to open the setting and have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 second. Okay, and have turn on only 60 second because maybe it is a network problem. You have open to the setting and again now scroll it down from server, and here guys how to go to the general and date and time. Here the correct you time, and make sure that your time is correct. Now after we check if it working or not, and again you are open the setting and tap to general and scroll up your device not VPN with connected, uh, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And of course there is not what you need to do. I have to open the setting again and simply have you to scroll it, tap on general and going to you do not have any pending update software update, and then check your update not in available for pending. Just simply have you to update your device the latest version, and after you guys and again open the setting, and then you have to tap and scroll up down for the general and down for transfer or reset, and then click on reset your reset all network setting. Okay, and your problem is fixed. The reset iPhone and then reset all network setting. Your mindset is clear, that I guarantee you have problem will be fixed. If this video if this video helpful for you, please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.